Here are the top 5 plants that look like human body parts. Snapdragon seed pod. Snapdragons are familiar, old-fashioned flowers named for the blooms that resemble little dragon jaws that open and close when you gently squeeze the sides of the flowers. The segmented blooms must be pollinated by big, strong bumblebees because honeybees aren't sturdy enough to open the jaws. Once the pollinated blooms die back, another unique feature of the plant is revealed: the snapdragon seed heads. When the snapdragon flowers die, the dried seed pods, which looks like tiny brown shrunken skulls, prove just how beautiful and strange nature can be. Watch for the seed pods in late summer, then get your camera because your friends will never believe it. The odd-looking seed heads have been the source of legends for hundreds of years. One story says that women who eat the skull like seed heads will regain their lost youth and beauty, while some people believe a few of the mystical little pods scattered around the house would protect the residents from curses, sorcery, and other forms of evil. Harvest a few of those spooky seed pods and you can save snapdragon seeds for planting next spring. Impatiens bequarti. These little beauties are one of the rarest flowers around and prove quite hard to find even for the most determined plant collector. Nicknamed for their resemblance to dancing ladies in dresses, these tiny flowers are native to East Africa and come in white and light pink. The plant itself is quite petite, growing to just about 1 foot across and bearing blooms that max out at 1.5 long. Dancing girls trail and climb, so they make lovely additions to hanging planters where you can enjoy their fabulous flowers at eye level. Dancing girls will root wherever they touch the soil, and they make excellent indoor plants if you can find one. Psychotria elata. Affectionately known as hooker lips, with its colorful red flower, attracts many pollinators including butterflies and hummingbirds. Psychotria is a genus containing some 1900 species within the plant family Rubiaceae. With the scientific name of Psychotria elata, this species also goes by the fitting names of the hot lips plant, flower of lips, or even hooker's lips. The plant can be found in the forested areas of tropical America, such as Costa Rica and Colombia. This biennial plant bears bright red bracts resembling the lips of a woman wearing red lipstick. From these bracts, tiny white flowers emerge that serve as food for the hummingbirds and butterflies. Some people also call it Mick Jagger's lips. This kissable red plant is truly a miracle of nature. Anguloa uniflora. There are 10 species in the genus Anguloa, all of which hail from South America. Care of swaddled babies is similar to other orchids, but relies upon mimicking the plant's native region. Most growers find that a greenhouse and a high humidity are the keys to care of swaddled babies. Swaddled babies orchid is one of the largest plants at nearly 2 feet or 61 centimeters in height. The name refers to the appearance of a tiny baby swathed in blankets in the interior of the flower. Another name for the plant, tulip orchid, is indicated by the exterior of the plant before it opens up fully. The overlapping petals resemble a tulip flower. The petals are waxy, cream-colored, and cinnamon-scented. Blooms are long-lasting and perform best in low-light locations. The leaves are slender and pleated with chubby, conical pseudobulbs. Guarana. Guarana is a Brazilian plant native to the Amazon basin, also known as Polinia cupana. It's a climbing plant prized for its fruit. A mature guarana fruit is about the size of a coffee berry. It resembles the human eye, with a red shell encasing a black seed covered by a white areola. Guarana extract is made by processing the seeds into powder. Amazonian tribes have used guarana for centuries for its therapeutic properties. It contains an impressive range of stimulants such as caffeine, theophylline, and theobromine. Guarana also boasts antioxidants such as tannins, saponins, and catechins. Today, 70% of guarana produce is used by the beverage industry in soft and energy drinks, while the remaining 30% is turned into powder.